I totally forgot about this. So I'm using my phone for internet on my Facebook. Yeah. And I just found this little thingy here laying around. I missed you. Haven't seen you in a while. How you been? How you been, buddy? I miss you. Yeah, man. I'm using this for internet. I'm not gonna try to use it a lot, but it says to kill the battery, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. I'm just gonna go on Facebook just a bit. Hooray! Internet miss you, man. The internet miss you. I never had a steak and cheese in my life. So this is my first time actually having it. So I'm gonna try it out right now. I never had it in my life.
I'll try it.
Yeah, hold on for me. Hold on.
Hello, YouTube people. That's Kelly over there, man.
Alright, so, yeah, this is my first time eating this. If I die, just let you know, guys.
And we got the one that has mad meat, yo. Holy shit.
So just to let you know, guys, if I die, look at this. I hate you all.
Alright, bye.
Alright. Oh.
It's good, right?
What? Yeah. Not expecting it much.
For real, you don't like it?
It's good, but I don't like it.
Man, you forcing it.
It's good, actually.
It's good, right?
Let's get it in right now.
You got the aftertaste?
I got the aftertaste, man.
It's mad good, you know.
Alright, it's really good.
Told you, you've been missing out, bro.
I never had it. Tastes like carne asada.
But in the good version.
Just with cheese and bread.
Yeah, you know, it tastes like carne asada. Carne asada is like this, but much more fatter. It's basically like a small version of a steak cheese, like big pie meat, like a patty. It's like this,
Oh my God,
all mushed up, but with cheese and bread. It's really good.
Bullshit, man. Mine's gone.
It's really good. First time having it.
Hey, then you're gonna go with it. Oh, I'm too far anyway.
Yeah, so basically I lost my virginity now.
Yeah.
Have fun.